Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Launch X431 PRO ELITE, OBD2 Scanner, 2023 new bidirectional scan tool with CANFD DOIP. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2023 launch new released all-in-one automotive diagnostic scanner. Launch X431 PRO ELITE car diagnostic scan tool, comes with full bidirectional control, ECU/online coding, 32+ maintenance services, OE all systems diagnostics, FCA AutoAuth, CANFD DOIP, VAG guided, refresh hidden functions, fast auto VEN, remote control, 100000 plus vehicle coverage, 25 languages and optional functions. High-end complete TPMS functions, need to work with X431 TS gun, advanced key programming, need to work with x-prog 3, and more extension modules. Full bidirectional control/active test. Launch X431 PRO ELITE factory-level full bidirectional scanner is capable of full bidirectional controls, active tests, over various vehicle subsystems and components like fuel pump test, radiator fan, cooling fan test, injector kill tests, relays, coils, solenoid valves, throttle, lights, ABS motor pump, headlights, A/C clutch, windows/doors/roof/wipers and more. The bidirectional OBD2 scanner can quickly help you to check if a system or component goes well, improving 200% efficiency. Note: active tests may vary across vehicles. Please confirm the compatibility before making a purchase or contacting us for assistance. Full advanced functions, ECU coding, guided functions for VAG and more. Launch X431 PRO ELITE diagnostic tablet can perform online ECU coding for 95% cars, component matching, programmable module installation, PMI, adaptive data reset, VAG guided functions. Power balance, online calibration, online parameterization to personalize vehicle settings and disable annoying features like seatbelt alarm, max speed limiter, daytime running lights and reveal hidden functions like rearview mirror and more. Hot 32 plus resets /calibration /initialization /matching/relearn. Launch X431 PRO ELITE OBD2 scan tool is compatible with 150 plus car makes from 1996 to 2023 and offers 32 plus hot reset services including oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, IMMO keys, disable lost keys, add new keys, DPF, BMS, throttle, TPMS reset, gearbox match, suspension, ABS bleed, injector coding, power balance, EGR relearn, A/C relearn, A/F reset, start/stop reset and more. You will get 300 plus special functions under vehicle brand menu, system, and then special functions. The Launch X431 diagnostic tool that is most worthwhile for purchase by DIYers, mechanics, and tire shops in 2023. OE level all systems diagnostics. Launch X431 PRO ELITE car diagnostic computer scanner can access, diagnose all available to troubleshoot entire car systems including engine system, transmission system, body system, brake, chassis, powertrain, fuel, light system, and more to retrieve/clear codes, live data graphing, freeze frame, actuation tests, vehicle-specific special functions, ECU coding, guided function for VAG vehicles and more. You'll get a better idea of the condition of your car and have clear leads for repairs. Complete TPMS services need to works with X431 SCUN. Launch X431 PRO ELITE top TPMS programming and relearn tool can perform every aspect of TPMS services. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.